1. Brew a cup of strong coffee, almost black, depending on how dark you want your paper to be. 2. Take a piece of paper and crumple it. 3. Gently unfold it. 4. Dip a cotton ball in the cup of warm coffee and evenly distribute it throughout the paper. 5. Let it dry using a hairdryer or fan. 6. Light a candle and gently burn the sides, careful not to catch fire, as it may eat up a big part of the paper. Make sure you do this far away from flammable objects. 7. Put the paper in a pan and turn to medium heat. Use a spoon or chopstick and gently press down on the paper for 30 seconds. This makes the paper have small brown spots. 8. Now you've got your parchment paper like they used in the early 1400s. Use a fountain pen to write with to make the parchment look old. You can also use it to make a birthday party invitation look fancy. Tie with a leather string or old brown string to make it really resemble a scroll-like letter.